Well, new research says a person's likelihood of having autism is largely based on their inherited genes.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with new information in tonight's Einstein Healthcare Science Center report.
That's right, a big new finding here. Scientists have, for the first time, successfully quantified the likelihood that a family who has one child with autism would have another one with the same disorder. And much of that risk is based on the sibling's gender. Scientists still aren't sure exactly what causes autism spectrum disorders, but many feel it's probably some combination of family history and environmental factors like being exposed to toxins. The new research says genetics are a much bigger factor than previously thought.
They showed by this thought experiment, this calculation experiment, that a lot of autism, 83%, is due to some type of genetic cause.
In the largest study of its kind, Harvard researchers analyzed records of more than 3.1 million children and found a strange pattern of recurrence based on gender. Having an older female child with autism increased the risk for younger siblings also having it, especially for boys.
Taking a family health history would be important because if there's already someone with autism spectrum disorder and the study is correct, then the likelihood is higher. It's not a lot higher, so people should not panic, but it just gives an indication.
Researchers say they have not identified specific genes that cause autism, and at this point, they can't explain how or why gender would be involved. Now, autism affects about 1 in 68 children in the United States, 4 times more boys than girls. And doctors say early diagnosis and intervention is so important to help offset symptoms that often include things like difficulty with social and communication skills. And parents tell us they usually start to see these signs at about age 2.
All right, and when you see them, what you're saying is get in there. All right, thanks, Stephanie.